Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to unbox this super cute wireless car-shaped mouse. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end. This wireless car-shaped mouse supports most operating systems such as Windows 2000, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Mac OS, and more. This user manual provides instructions on how to properly and effectively use this wireless car-shaped mouse, and it is in English. This wireless car-shaped mouse comes in different colors such as black, blue, white, yellow, and red. It is a good choice for using or as a gift for friends or colleagues. Like any other mouse, this wireless car-shaped mouse has two buttons, the right and the left buttons, as well as a scroll wheel. You can see the optical sensor and the on-off button on the bottom of the mouse. This wireless car-shaped mouse is an ideal combination of a computer mouse and a Mini Cooper car. It is small and easy to carry. When you don't want to use the mouse, you can also place it on your desk as a decoration. To open the lid of this wireless car-shaped mouse, push the lid backward and it will open. Inside this wireless car-shaped mouse, you will find a mini receiver. The mini receiver provides a strong wireless connection up to 10 meters away, with 2.4 GHz optical wireless transmission. The wireless car-shaped mouse works instantly when you plug the mini receiver into your computer or laptop. To power this wireless car-shaped mouse, you will need two AAA batteries. You will need to purchase them from the shop because they are not included in the box. First, place the two AAA batteries in the device, and make sure to close the lid of this wireless car-shaped device. Now, take out the mini receiver from the mouse and insert it into the USB port of your desktop or laptop. Then, switch on the wireless car-shaped mouse using the on-off button at the bottom of the device, and the mouse will work. You can see a flashing red light on the bottom of the mouse. You can also see two blue lights on the front of this wireless car-shaped mouse. These two blue lights look very beautiful.
Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to unbox the Cosby boxing robot. This Cosby
Plug and play. You can use this mouse without having to do manual configuration and without any knowledge of computer hardware. Insert the mini receiver into the USB port of your computer and start using your mouse right away. If you don't use the mouse for a short time, it will automatically turn to a power saving mode to save energy. Please like, comment, and subscribe.